Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video today I'm going to show you how to change orders in Shopify. So this tutorial is going to be step by step, just watch until the end with me and I'll teach you how at the end of the video. So basically the first step what we need to do, we need to go easily to open the browser, go into Google Chrome over here and then we must go to the search engine Google. And now once we're here in Google, what we're going to search for is Shopify. So we're going to search for Shopify and then we'll go down to open this website www.shopify.com. And now once we're here in shopify.com, we can go to login or we can start free trial. So in my case, I have a shop already, so I'll click on log in over here. And now once we're in this page, this is the home page of your store in Shopify. So as you can see here, we got my store, that words, and MS stands for my store. So in here, as you can see, we got this menu on the left side, such as home, orders, products, customers, and so on and so forth. So in my case, I will go to products here, the third option between orders and customers, and I'll click on it. And then here we must do focus on collections. So we click on collections over here. And as you can see, we got the home page. So as you can see here in this page, we can click on this option to sort by collection title, update it in order in oldest first or newest first, wherever it was. That depends on your end. So what am I gonna do here? It's simply easily. I will go up here to the right side, and as you can see this option of create collection, I'll click on it. And here I got the title of the collection. So for example, I would say in my case, December 2023 collection. And then I'll go to the description here and I can describe this connection. And I would say, for example, this is the collection of the for December 2023. And as you can see here, this is the collection type. You can do it manually by adding products to this collection one by one, or you can do it automated, which is existing and future products that match the conditions you set will automatically be added to this collection. So I choose manual. And here is the theme template. You can just choose default collection because in my case I only have this default collection. And so I'll click on save over here. And then once I click on save, created December 2023 collection. So I click on collections over here once again to see my collections. And so once I create my collection, I will click over here to my collection. And then once I'm adding the products here, I can sort them according to best selling, A to Z, Z to A, highest price, lowest price, newest, oldest, or manually. So I will go to click on manually over here. And then because just in my case, I don't have a collection so far in products, but just I'm showing you this tutorial. So whenever you have the products, you must choose here on manually instead of best selling. And then you can drag and drop the products here one by one, up to down, down to up, and so on and so forth, as long as this is on manually. And so that was all today's video of the tutorial of how to change the products order on Shopify. So at the end, please, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.